Hello friends, today we will make red coconut chutney. Let's prepare the ingredients. You'll see the ingredients in the picture. Coconut 1 cup, red chilies dried 2 to 3 pieces, shallots 5 to 6 pieces, ginger 2 to 3 pieces, mustard seeds, curry leaves, salt and water. So now we'll grind this shallots and ginger piece, some curry leaves, red chili dried. Note that it's not the green chilies as compared to my other videos. We will now grind it a bit and then add the coconut into it, and we'll now make it into a very smooth paste. Add salt to taste, water. Let's grind it into a smooth paste as shown in the picture. We'll now prepare for tempering. Pan is on a medium flame. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds crackle, we will add the curry leaves and shallot sliced and dried red chilies prepared for tadka. We will now stir it to a brown color. Add the coconut paste. Stir it. Add water to bring it to the desired consistency. Salt needed. Bring it to a boil and the delicious red chutney is ready to serve. You can serve this with breakfast items like vada, dosa, idli and any other idiyappams. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more Savourous videos.